Yum. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna take a look at a brand new box for me. It's a box that was sent from far away, all the way from Japan. It's called Tokyo Charm, and I thought it was so sweet. I actually reached out to them and asked them to send me a box. I think it would be fun to look at products that our beauty muses are requesting or using all the way on the other side of the world. First of all, the cute little package that it came in was this one with all these fun drawings, and I thought that was interesting and different and unique. Together with the box, I have Google Translate that will hopefully help us figure out what to do when I show the products and I can't figure out what it is. This one was still a spring box because, again, I'm late, but it came in this lovely little bag with the little silk ribbon. How cute is that? And it says, "Flowers need time to bloom, so do you." Lovely. Let's open it, shall we? The first thing that I noticed is this lovely rose scent. I do have a friend that doesn't like the scent of roses, which everybody has their scent selection, but this is so cute. It's as if they had put petals of beautiful English roses all over the box. So as you can see, it's called Tokyo Charm. And that's their little logo. The box is interesting with like antique pictures. A day of wonder to be kept in the heart. And then inside you have the harlequin motif and a beautiful little seal. Their tissue is much thicker than American tissue, so that is interesting. Oh my, how lovely! It is so unique and different from the beauty boxes that we're used to getting. Look at that. Look at all these goodies. I can't wait. First of all, there is a lovely little thank you card right there. And it's pressed paper with lovely little flowers. Super cute. Not only is it a beauty box, has all sorts of fun things. Okay, so this was the May box. They have a pamphlet in English, which is very handy. So great. I will put a link to all of their socials so you guys can get a hold of them. But this is just, it brings me joy. Just these cute little things here and there. Lots of detail on the ingredients. If you can't read Japanese, it's not an issue. Honey Cake Emerald Facial Wash Soap. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How pretty. Shiseido. So this is a nice, expensive brand. Super excited. I'm gonna open it. So it's a clear, glycerin-like soap. I'm so excited, you guys. You have no idea. I love trying different things from other parts of the world. Oh, and it smells lovely. It is just clean, see-through. What a gorgeous soap to have it on a dish or a seashell, especially now that's summertime here. And it says emerald in it. So lovely. So pretty. And I love the way it smells. So for the Google Translate to work, all you have to do, I have Japanese to English, and I press the camera and you take a photo, but it immediately shows what it's saying.
Shiseido Hone Cake, Emerald. Now less than transparent face wash soap, greater than a mild cleansing face that contains plenty of moisturizing ingredients. It's soap. An elegant and calm scent. Uses plant ingredients and contains moisturizing ingredients. Please use when washing your face in the morning and night.
That was perfect. It told me exactly what to do and how to do it. And in case you did not know, they wrote down the list of ingredients: water, sucrose, sodium, myristrate. So it's all listed for you. It also says a soap that can cleanly remove dirt from the skin. It can be used widely, I think all over, mainly for people with normal to oily skin. It has a feminine scent such as fougere and amber. Use it for washing your face in the morning, evening, and bathing. So I'm not gonna go into detail into each one of the items, but I will try to express how it is different and unique. And I'm so excited about this box. Here is a lollipop sweet soap. So it's yet another type of soap. I don't want to break it. Oh, this one is a little bit more floral. So if you like a powdery floral, this soap, what a lovely little gift for a child. I think I would tuck this as a little gift. It says Sweet Maison. Oh, so lovely. I think a teenager or a young child would love to receive this little lollipop that's really used for a soap. How adorable and so unique and different from what we get here in the States. There is also a lip gloss. It's called Water and Lip. It is also from Shiseido.
Contains hyaluronic acid, moisturizing, use of domestic hot spring water. Contains cherry-colored powder, titanium oxide, mica, dimethylsilylated silica, dimethicone, filled circle because it is a lip fit prescription that improves the glue of lipstick.
So it has hyaluronic acid to plump your lips. I'm not gonna use it right now because I have lipstick on, but I am looking forward to using this. So instead of a glossy lip plumper, it is just kind of like a little, has absolutely no scent. Just kind of like your little sticks that you would use to keep your lips moist. This one will have the hyaluronic acid, which will make it plump, and some sort of sunscreen. And then they have these little sticky notepad. Also, it's not something that you regularly get on your beauty boxes, but you know, Japan has this idea of kawaii, and kawaii means cute, and that's what I love everything from Japan, that they all have these cute little adorable treats everywhere, and it's like a little notebook. Has all sorts of things in it. It is color coordinated. It kind of tells you how to use it on your planner. You have the little sticky notes, little round circle notes, a little tab. There's a to-do list, or if you just want to work with your planner, a way to organize your planner, or people that like to do bullet journals and add cute little things to it. This is just adorable. Really fun. Oops, really fun. And it's a fun color, trendy color. And the whole box appears to be color coordinated. What a lovely setup. If I have a discount code or a link, I will put the link in the description so you guys can access the products. Now here is a body sponge. Look at that. It's obviously not a true loofah, but fun nonetheless. There's more. There's lots more. Ooh, I think this is a bath bomb. It says bath bomb, pure rose. And that is what I was smelling all along, you guys. My daughter's gonna love this. She loves bath bombs and taking baths. I think I'm gonna treat her to this. She's gonna be so happy. How lovely. This is what smells like roses. It is such an elegant fragrance. This is not cheap, pardon me, but I'm gonna say it. It's not cheap Walmart roses. It's a very delicate rose fragrance without any acidity whatsoever, but without being powdery. It truly is the scent of real roses. And then Oh, there's more stuff in here. I keep finding things as I pick up. So this is Aroma Resort Body Milk Dreamy Bloom Rose. So the whole, I think, theme would be rose with the colors and the items. Of course, that was the Emerald Shiseido soap, but this is just lovely. Interesting, they have fruits and vegetables over here.
Milk with vitamin containing vegetable, fruit essence and beauty oil familiar to melt. It leads to a smooth and transparent skin. Vitamin in veggie fruit essence. Vitamin A containing carrot juice. Astringent moisturizer. Vitamin B containing broccoli bud extract. Moisturizing protection. Vitamin C, citric acid containing lemon juice. Product antioxidant, soft keratin, vegetable glycerin. Moisturizer, Izayoi rose extract.
Yep, and it has jojoba oil and avocado oil. So I want to try it. It's quite cooling. There is a scent to it. It's not quite fruity, but it's a beautiful scent. Clean, fruity, but you can't say what fruit it is, and just fresh and very emollient. Just, you saw how much I had. I covered my entire arm. Green scent with a fruitiness to it, but very gentle, nothing offensive. These Japanese products are just fantastic. Now, what is this? This one is some sort of salt, I think. It doesn't have any words that I understand. Let's see if I can figure it out. It is called the Hoshinoya massage salt, and it can be used on the entire body so that you can scrub your skin with. You can also use it on your dry heels and knees. Dry hair and scalp. I love scrubbing my scalp with salts. Can't wait to try that. Oh my gosh, this is just so adorable. Oh, the mini bear bath fizz. So adorable. I can't say enough things about how kawaii these items are. Thank you so much, Tokyo Charm, for making my day. Oh, this last product got a little broken into. That's okay. It's a tea bag. It's called Cafe Latori. It looks like peach tea. So I bet you it's peach green tea. Oh, it's one of those little powdery teas that you just kind of drop into your warm water or cold water and you stir. Can't wait to try that. How beautiful. Look at that. Just lovely. Yum. It's sugared with aspartame, but it tastes delicious, and the peach flavor is lovely. I am really thankful for Tokyo Charm for sending me this box. You have brought me so much joy today, and I hope that my viewers will appreciate it as well and maybe give it a try, because this is just adorable. I had a fantastic time opening this box. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it. And Tokyo Box, if you want to send me another one, I will make sure to have another video for you, because I just thought they were so lovely and adorable, and I hope your business grows here in the US. This is just a lovely box. I have nothing bad to say about it. Maybe just, I think it takes about 2 weeks for the boxes to get here, but they can't help that because it's coming from the other side of the world. Anyway, I love this box. Super fun. What a treat for me. You guys have a good one.